Okay guys, so let's learn how to create a folder with terminal. To do it, I'm going to navigate to my desktop folder. Now we are in desktop directory. Now I just want to create a folder called Udemy. To do it, we can use mkdir and new folder name. Alright, let's enter. Now we can see our Udemy folder is created. Now let's create another folder with space. Hello Udemy. Now I just want to add the space on name. To do it, backslash space course. Alright, let's create and now we see both of folders are created. Now we are in desktop folder. So I just want to create the folder in our Udemy folder without navigating to it. To do it, we can use mkdir and folder location with /. Now we have to enter a new folder name. I'm going to use hello. Let's check. cd Udemy. Now let's ls. Now our hello folder is also created in our Udemy folder.